So there you are. So you're serious about a career in construction? Well, you couldn't be better positioned than here at Wirral Met College. Here, our purpose-built construction centre at Wirral Waters. We're centrally positioned overlooking a 30-year regeneration project. There are amazing opportunities at our centre, and we offer a vast range of qualifications, from brickwork, joinery, plastering, plumbing, painting and decorating, and electrical. And there's even an opportunity to progress on at level 3 and level 4 with our HNC qualifications. We engage students as much as we can with employers, and for that purpose, we have a team that send our students out onto work placement opportunities. This is an ideal opportunity for you as students to promote yourselves and show employers what you're capable of doing. It's not just about skills, it's about behaviours. So it's important that you come across and we develop you and your confidence to be interviewed by employers and show what you can do. Once you've experienced the work placement, you can then move on to apprenticeships. And we have a vast range of apprenticeships in the college, but in construction we have a centre manager who deals with the apprenticeships for construction alone, and that's Jason. And I'll meet, or you will meet, all of our students when I take you around our facility. So follow me, I'll take you around, see what we do, and if you're interested, why don't you pop in, meet us all, or come onto our virtual open evening this Thursday. See you there. And here we are in the painting and decorating workshop, and John Ability, our team leader, will take you through some of the qualifications and the activities that happen in the workshop.
Hi, my name's John. This is our workshop. This is where we teach a variety of courses from level 1 up to level 3. Our priorities here are to try and prepare students for work, get them into employment, and also get them a qualification. Some of the tasks that the students will be involved in take place over a variety of different surfaces. We've got small rooms, we've got bigger bays, and then small practice boards. And we practice preparing surfaces, applying paint, and paper hanging, along with some specialist finishes. So please, if you're thinking about doing a paint and decorating course, come down and see what we're all about.
Okay, so we've been to the painting and decorating workshop. Now we're in the joinery workshop, and I'd like to introduce you to Alan Devon, one of our team leaders, who's going to explain the difference between the bench and the site.
Welcome to Wirral Met College. This is the carpentry and joinery section. You've got two major courses in carpentry and joinery. You've got bench joinery and you've got site carpentry. The bench joinery makes all your items, and your site carpentry would fit all of your items. So for example, a bench joiner would make a door and a site carpenter would fit the door. Now those courses go up to a level 3 in all of them. And also we can then link it with apprenticeships. We have a lot of students who find apprenticeships. I'll tell you what, if you come in, I can explain it to you further.
Okay, so we've been to some of the other workshops and we've seen what the students participate in different areas. And now we're in the plastering workshop, and I'd like to introduce you to Mark Peel, one of our tutors.
Thank you, Paul. Welcome everyone. This is our plastering department. We do a level 1 here, we also do a level 2 diploma. We also have some great opportunities for apprenticeships. It's a fantastic facility here at Wirral Waters. It's not just for male students, we also have a good representation of female students as well. So I'll tell you what, if you fancy doing a little bit of plastering, you pop down to Wirral Waters and come speak to me.
Okay, and here we are again. We've seen a lot of activity in different areas, and now we're in one of my favourite areas, Bricklayer. And I'd like to introduce you to Dave Brooks, one of our tutors.
Hi, my name's Dave. I work with Wirral Waters, and in our brickwork department we provide a level 1 and a level 2 qualification in brickwork. We also supply local employees with apprentices. If you want to learn more about it, come down and see us.
And now we're in a really popular area, plumbing. And I'd like to introduce you to Dean Watson, our team leader.
Hello, I'm Dean Watson. I'm the Plumbing and Gas team leader. We run a vast array of courses from levels 1 to 3, We also run a level 3 gas standard for apprentices wishing to get into the gas industry. Why don't you come down and have a chat with yourself anytime you're free.
And finally, we come to electrical. And let me introduce you to Tony Campbell, one of our lecturers.
Hi, I'm Tony Campbell and welcome to Electrical. Here we teach level 1, level 2, level 3 and apprenticeships all the way up to level 4. I'd like nothing better than to show you around, so why not come down here and let me do just that.
So I'm Jason Henderson, College Manager for Apprenticeships and HE. I've been very fortunate there to meet some of the tutors at Wirral Waters, but I'd like to touch on some of the other stuff that we do, which is work experience. So at Wirral Waters we also put you in touch with other employers in the area, and you will do some work experience with them, and hopefully this will lead to an apprenticeship, hence where I come in. Because in the Wirral Water area we've got loads and loads of new work that's going to be happening over the next 10 to 20 years, and I want you to be part of that.